Hey, this is Mike with the Studio for Teaching and Learning Innovation. And today I want to show you how to think about content in your Blackboard course site. We're here in a sample Blackboard course site, and you can see I've got a syllabus object here, a menu item. And if I wanted to add my syllabus, I could go to this build content. There's a bunch of different content types, and I just want to talk a little bit about the types of content that you'll see here. An item is kind of the most flexible content type, and that's what I'll generally use when I create my content. It allows me to have a place to put text, files, videos, build a kind of a richer environment for the students. File is just what it says. You just post a file there. And you can also do things like add audio or images or videos or even a web link, and that'll just be a link directly to a website. And I'll do that pretty often if I want to point to a web resource, and I'll always make sure that I have it open in a new window if I choose web link. There are lots of other things that you can choose here that I don't use too much of, but one thing that I do like are the embedded YouTube videos and the embedded Panopto videos, and I'll use those pretty often to put a YouTube video in the course, directly in the course, or put a Panopto video directly in the course. But let's add an item. I'm going to click on Create Item, and I'm going to go ahead and put in, let's say this is my syllabus. And I can give it some instructions here if I want. I can even paste the syllabus in here if I'd like. But let's say I want to keep it really simple. I just want to add a syllabus as a file. So I can scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see I've got this attachments area, and I can browse my local files. And I'll browse my files, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find the file that I need. And here it is. I'm just going to go ahead and click on it, and it's a docx file. Now, I'm going to show you uploading a doc file and why I don't suggest it, and then I'm going to upload it the way I suggest it. So I'm going to hit open, and it's going to go ahead and upload that file. And now what I really think that folks should be in the habit of, instead of uploading a doc file, to change that doc into a PDF. And let me show you how to do that. So I'm going back to the Word document that I have here, and I'm going to go to File and Save As. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose, instead of file format Word document, I'm going to choose PDF. And I'm going to go ahead and export that. And now that's exported, and I'm going to go ahead and upload that to my Blackboard site. And I'll do the same thing. I'll browse the local file. I'll choose that PDF file, and I'll open that. And that's all I need to do. I'll hit Submit. And now you'll notice I've got the syllabus, and I've got that docx file, and I've got the PDF file. So if I click on the docx file, look what happens. It downloads, and then I have to find it, I have to open it up, and it's tedious. But now look what happens when I open up that PDF file. It opens up immediately in the browser right in the Blackboard course site. Much easier for students, just creates one less barrier for students learning. Anyway, I hope that was helpful, and of course, if you have questions, you can let us know at STLI@wm.edu, or you can contact IT at support@wm.edu. Thanks for watching.